Think November is too late to start gardening? Well, think again. Imagine having fresh veggies right from your garden. Even as winter approaches, today I'm sharing the 5 best, easiest plants to grow in November that'll survive the cold and add delicious, fresh produce to your meals. Curious about how to grow these with minimum effort? Let's dive in. Hello, garden enthusiasts. November might seem like a slow month for gardening, but there's actually a lot you can still grow. The plants we're covering today, cabbage, cauliflower, radish, lettuce, and kale are perfect for this time of year. They're cold hardy, easy to care for, and they'll give you a rewarding harvest even in the middle of winter. I'll guide you step by step through planting, caring, and harvesting them, so you're set for a successful autumn garden. Ready to get started? 1. Preparing the soil. A strong garden begins with well-prepared soil, especially in November when conditions can be tough. Start by loosening the soil with a garden fork to help with drainage and root growth. Since these crops need a nutrient boost in chilly weather, adding a layer of compost or well-rotted manure works wonders. Compost not only adds nutrients, but also helps the soil retain moisture, which is essential for these cool season plants. Consider adding a bit of lime to balance levels if your soil is too acidic. Cabbage and cauliflower in particular do well in slightly alkaline soil. 2. Planting the seeds. Now for the fun part, getting those seeds into the ground. Cabbage and cauliflower, start these indoors or in a sheltered area if frost is strong. You can transplant them outside once they're sturdy enough, which is usually in a few weeks. Radish and lettuce. These are fast growing, so sow the seeds directly into the soil. Just make sure you space them out. Radishes especially need room to form their roots. Kale is one tough plant. So the seeds directly in the garden bed and it'll grow even if the temperature drops. Kale can handle frost and still taste amazing. Some say it tastes even better after a frost. 3. Watering and fertilizing. Once your seeds are planted, consistent care is key. Keep the soil moist, but not too wet. Watering early in the day helps prevent mildew and mold, which can be more common in cooler months. And for fertilizing, an organic vegetable feed every 2 weeks will keep your plants energized. Make sure to fertilize around the base, not directly on the leaves, as this can damage them. Adding a layer of mulch around the plants can lock in moisture and even help regulate soil temperature. Plus, it prevents weeds. 4. When to harvest. Here is a breakdown of when to enjoy your veggies. Cabbage, usually ready in 10-12 weeks, so expect to harvest by late January or early February. Cauliflower takes a bit longer, around 12-14 weeks. Be patient with cauliflower. It's worth the wait. Radish, quick and easy, just 4-6 weeks, so you'll have fresh radishes in December. Lettuce, also fast-growing, with a similar time frame of 4-6 weeks. Perfect for winter salads. Kale, ready in about 6-8 weeks. And since kale is cut and come again, you can enjoy fresh leaves all season long. Where to buy seeds? Finding seeds isn't hard, but picking the best spot can save you time and ensure quality. Online garden centers browse a wide variety, and they'll deliver straight to your door. Local nurseries get expert advice and see the seeds in person. Nurseries are great if you want local tips. DIY stores. Convenient and usually affordable. You'll find most basic seeds at your local home improvement store. Many online stores offer winter planting kits that come with everything you need, which is perfect if you're a beginner or just want a simpler option. Extra tips for growing success. Here are a few more tips to guarantee a successful November garden. Protect against pests. Even in winter, pests like aphids can target your plants. Check leaves regularly and use natural pest control methods like neem oil to keep them at bay. Maintain moisture. Plants need water even in the colder months. Watch the weather and don't skip watering during dry spells. Use a cold frame or cloche for extra protection, especially on frosty nights. A simple cold frame or cloche over your plants can help them grow strong and stay safe from extreme cold. Harvest right for flavor. Don't wait too long. For the best flavor and texture, follow the harvest timelines and avoid letting the veggies overmature. Radishes, in particular, can get woody if left too long. When in doubt, remember moist soil, good drainage, and a little bit of frost protection are all your November plants need to thrive. Are you ready to give November gardening a try? Let me know in the comments which of these 5 plants you're most excited about, or if you have a favorite winter veggie of your own. Don't forget to like this video if you found these tips helpful, and subscribe for more gardening advice all year round. Happy planting!